Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Stan here with you. Well, I have a few things to discuss today. I just received my Esteem's wing mirror, so I'll be installing that. Then I received my Fastag for the Verna. As I planned few trips in the Verna, I need the Fastag as it's compulsory in Tamil Nadu to have the Fastag while crossing toll booths. And thirdly, I'm going to discuss about a common scam that happens in car workshops that is related to the car air condition. So I'll explain how you can avoid that as well. So stay tuned. Now this is the old broken wing mirror. As you can see, it's all broken. But this is the original wing mirror. As you can see, the brand name over here. This is original OEM. Now I'll show you the replacement part that I got. Now this is the new wing mirror. As you can see, once it's painted, it doesn't look all that different from the original one. You don't get that original brand name that you saw in the original OEM wing mirror. That's the only difference. This thing cost me 700 rupees while the original one costs around 1500 rupees, and for painting it cost me another 400 rupees. So in total it cost me 1100 rupees for this wing mirror. Now quality wise, I do not know how good it is compared to the OEM ORVM, but we'll install it and see how long it lasts, and then I'll give a feedback in future. Now installing it is pretty easy. All you have to do is remove 3 screws from here, and then the wing mirror comes out, and then you'll have to install the new one. That's all.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my
We'll have to twist and turn and remove this circular part from here.
cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true.
This is that circular part. You'll have to twist it and remove it.
If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you,
You'll need a flat screwdriver as well to pry this out. That's it. So this one also comes out. As soon as you remove these 3 screws, the ORVM will come out.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby.
So that's it. That's come out fully.
If you believe it's
Now this OEM ORVM actually weighs a lot more without the mirror than this first copy ORVM. This one with the mirror actually weighs a lot lighter. So I guess quality wise this one is much better. It will last a bit longer. But I'm not sure. We'll install this and see how long it lasts. If it doesn't, I'll just get the OEM next time. And another thing to note is that the circular plastic part in this is a screw type. It's not the clip type like you saw in the other one.
eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
So right off the bat, there are some issues with this first quality ORVM. As you can see, look wise, it doesn't look different to the original OEM ORVM, but it's actually much lighter than the OEM ORVM. Secondly, the quality is not that good. For instance, it doesn't tilt the other way that much. If a biker hit this, it's done for. It cannot survive that because as you can see, it doesn't go back that much. It just feels a bit flimsy compared to the OEM ORVM. Let me show you that. Now this is the OEM ORVM, as you can see from this brand name over here. Now look at this ORVM. It actually tilts the other way to a certain degree. Look, it has that springy kind of action. So even if a biker hits this, this can survive to some extent, but the first quality ORVM will not survive. And another issue is that when you tilt this downwards, the mirror is supposed to tilt downwards, but it's tilting upwards. So this is also another issue with this first quality ORVM. See, if you tilt up, it's tilting down. If you tilt left, it's tilting right. It's entirely in the opposite direction. So this is another drawback in the first quality ORVM. It's not like this in the original OEM ORVM. So that's another thing you need to know. To be honest, it's not actually a big drawback, because considering the price I got it for, it's just 700 rupees, whereas the original one is more than double the cost. It's around 1500 rupees, and then 400 rupees is extra for painting. So for this first quality ORVM, it cost me around 1100 rupees. So I think it's a good deal. Now these shortcomings are not that big of an issue, so I guess I can live with it. But if it breaks, I'll just go with the OEM ORVM next time. So a common scam in workshops is the AC gas scam. So most people might think if the AC is ineffective, it has to be with the AC gas leakage or a compressor issue. But it can be as simple as cleaning in the AC filter. So the refilling of AC gas can cost anywhere between 1500 to 2500 rupees depending on your car's model. And people who are not aware will just send the car over to the car mechanic, and he'll say that he just refilled the car's AC gas and he'll just charge you, but it would have been just the replacement or cleaning of the AC filter. So in this vlog, I'll show you where you can find your AC filter and how you can clean it yourself. So let's go ahead. So most AC filters can be found in the passenger side glove compartment, either at the bottom or on top. So in the case of Verna, the AC filter is inside the glove compartment. So you'll have to open this. You have two knobs, you'll have to remove these knobs. So once you remove the knobs, the glove compartment comes down. The AC filter can be found here, it's inside this. Just squeeze the clips like this on this side and on this side. Just squeeze it and the cover comes off. So once the cover comes off, the filter is inside here. So this is the filter, just drag it out. So this is how the AC filter looks. So I cleaned my AC filter last month, so that's why it's very clean. But for most of you who haven't cleaned it for a while, this will be clogged with dirt, and just because of that clog, your AC effectiveness will be low. All you have to do is just wash this filter, dry it, and just replace it inside the same way, and that's it. You'll have to refit the AC filter with this side up. So all you have to do is just clean and refit the AC filter. Just install the cover. The AC filter's cover is fitted back, and that's it. Now obviously older cars like the Esteem don't have this AC filters. So in that case, if your AC is ineffective, it means that your AC gas has some issue, or there's some leakage, or your AC compressor has some issue. But in newer cars, you must definitely check your AC filter first before you give your car to the mechanic, so that they don't scam you. Because it's a very easy fix. You just have to clean and wash your filter and your AC is back to normal. Yeah guys, so I also finally received my Fastag from Paytm. As I have planned some long trips in the Verna, I need this Fastag, as the central government has made it mandatory to have Fastag on all cars crossing toll booths. Now this cost me 600 rupees. I think Paytm charges 250 rupees, and then the remaining 350 rupees sits in your account, which is used when you cross toll booths. Now Paytm does not have some charges which ICICI and other banks charge while you recharge your Fastag account. So that's the reason why I went with Paytm. And this is the sticker that has to be stuck on the inside portion of the front windshield. So let's do it. I have stuck the Fastag just under the IRVM. It's right here. It should be on the inside portion of the glass, not outside. See, there is the Fastag. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog and found it informative. If you did like it, please do hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done already. And until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.